Hi, I'm Margaret Bird and welcome to Color Quest, a channel where we can explore the wide world of natural color. Two of my biggest passions are creating artwork and traveling. And although my studio is in the Pacific Northwest, you will find me often traveling the globe looking for inspirational sites to place my installation work and to extract color from those very same places to use in my mixed media artwork. And although I use natural color for my artwork specifically, it can be used in so many different ways. So one of the things I also love about it is that it's easy and it's addictive. And let me tell you something, I'm hooked. So on this channel, I'll share tutorials on how to find color, how to extract color, and how to make the most beautiful things, all from natural color. And if you're lucky, I'm going to take you on the road with me to see what kinds of natural colors we can find together. So subscribe below so you can join me every Friday for a new color adventure and keep that creativity churning on our quest for color. Okay. Okay. I've done this so many times.